Good morning, girls and guys. Boris Gelfand again, real estate broker in the state of Florida, in New York. Guys, would like to show a very attractive apartment in Sunny Isles. We're on the 16th floor with incredible views. Guys, it's intercoastal views plus ocean. You have a couple sides to the ocean. You can see the ocean, what is weather, if it's windy or not, again. And we have beautiful view of intercoastal canal, which has luxury boats. We're in the middle of Sunny Isles, and it is the best location in Sunny. It's huge bay, which, as you can see, there ocean, and here big boats. On Saturday and Sunday it's like one by one. It's huge traffic of the boats. You can see from 200 up to $5 million boats. So you don't need to go to boat show. Again, we're in a Sunny Isles, 16th floor. It's facing, you see the boats there. So this is a big canal and luxury new buildings. And this building gonna have boat slips too. It's projected, so for owners, you can purchase it. Guys, let's go inside and see what is waiting for us. It's one bedroom apartment in Kings Point building. It's 178 in Collins, and apartment updated, and everything done to move in. So you can see how it's clean, nice, and good standing. Guys, feel free to ask me questions, to sign for our channel. And maintenance $300 only, and property tax is going to be around roughly $25 to maybe $3,000 per year. So the best location, the best schools, Miami. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Okay, so let's go. This has balcony, brand new AC unit. You see the boat, another boat over. I told you it's a lot of boats, and brand new AC units. Big size balcony facing south, and again, like I said before, apartment fully updated. Everything was need to be done to make you feel good, clean, and ready. So you don't need to make any more improvements. It has marble floor in a living room, in a hallway, let's say hallway, and laminate, waterproof laminate floor in living room. It's one bedroom, 750 square feet. This is a kitchen. So this is entrance door. So you can see so it's from the entrance door, you're gonna see on the right side. Very nice kitchen with a brand new appliances. Dishwasher, oven, stainless steel fridge. Again, marble floor in the kitchen. Second door, it's fire door, which is exactly the same like main door, so you have two options to get into the apartment. So we are main entrance. So on the left side we have closets. I'm not going to go to show them deeply. Again, brand new thermostat. Like I said, recently replaced AC. Again, bathroom, stand-up shower, marble floor, shiny. Again, some special design of the sink, but again, guys, if you want, you can put white. It's your choice. And big size bed, which is exactly facing the same way, which is facing the balcony and intercoastal. Guys, apartment asking price $220, 16th floor, and maintenance $300. One assigned parking. So it's perfect for investment. It's perfect for self-use. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will answer for all your comments. Sub for our channel, and feel free to visit our website www.gelfandrealty.com. We have updates every night, so all information is really updated. And my phone +1 646 431 8072. You can use WhatsApp, Viber. I will glad to talk to you. Thank you guys, and see you soon.